stronger by bringing
lots and lots of options, Jose Mourinho. And it's not right to change it very, very quickly.
What if they said anything with Everton will actually feel hard done by getting nothing from that game? All their work, you know, for they played some very good football. They saw a good Alright, just a quick reminder then, if you've just joined us, that West Ham United great start for new manager Alan Curtis. Let's hear from him now. He thought
Alan, how good did it feel to finally get your first win out of Spurs?
I mean, to get the win out of Spurs, but obviously he was desperate for a win. The results yesterday, big blow, I think, with due respect to two teams went away and put away from us, which has clawed some back, and a great way to do it against Man United.
If you're honest, was it beyond your expectations?
Well, we started with a lot of enthusiasm. We expect when a new manager came in, and when I saw them, we didn't really try. I only just realised that things were freaks and had injuries, little niggles, and coming back. So it was a tough second half, but the goal, I think the goal just gave us that little bit of a lift.